Hello friends, I'm Samriddhi Banerjee and welcome to my channel The Mad Reader. Friends, this week we came to know about the grand release of the much awaited first image captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. The image was released by US President Joe Biden in a special ceremony at White House on 11th July. The moment was historic because we could able to see such an image of deep space that has never been observed in the history of mankind. I was checking the first image from the website of National Aeronautics and Space Administration or NASA, and it was really astonishing. In the subsequent days, NASA released 4 other images which also captured more details about galaxies, planets and nebulas. I could not get a chance to bring these images to you so far due to my school in the weekdays, and today I am here to show you the images directly from the website of NASA. So let's open the website and see the first image. I will also read out the detail that NASA explained about the images from the website. So this is the first image. Let us see what NASA is saying about this image. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has produced the deepest and sharpest infrared image of the distant universe to date. Known as Webb's first deep field, this image of galaxy cluster SMACS 0723 is overflowing with detail. Thousands of galaxies, including the faintest objects ever observed in the infrared, have appeared in Webb's view for the first time. This slice of the vast universe covers a patch of sky approximately the size of a grain of sand held at an arm's length by someone on the ground. Let's move on to the second image of Carina Nebula. This landscape of mountains and valleys speckled with glittering stars is actually the edge of a nearby young star-forming region called NGC 3324 in the Carina Nebula. Captured in infrared light by NASA's new James Webb Space Telescope, this image reveals for the first time previously invisible areas of starburst. Called the Cosmic Cliffs, Webb's seemingly three-dimensional picture looks like craggy mountains on a moonlit evening. In reality, it is the edge of a giant gaseous cavity within NGC 3324, and the tallest peaks in this image are about 7 light-years high. The cavernous area has been carved from the nebula by the intense ultraviolet radiation and the stellar winds from extremely massive hot young stars located in the center of the bubble above the area shown in this image. The pictures of the same nebula were previously captured by Hubble telescope. I am going to show you that picture from the link given below. As you can see, this image is not as accurate as the one captured by James Webb Space Telescope. In addition, it is much less detailed than that image. Next, we go on to the image of Stephan's Quintet. Stephan's Quintet, a visual grouping of 5 galaxies, is best known for being prominently featured in the holiday classic film It's a Wonderful Life. On 12th of July, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope reveals Stephan's Quintet in a new light. This enormous mosaic is Webb's largest image to date, covering about 1/5 of the Moon's diameter. It contains over 150 million pixels and is constructed from almost 1,000 separate image files. The information from Webb provides new insights into how galactic interactions may have driven galaxy evolution in the early universe. With its powerful infrared vision and extremely high spatial resolution, Webb shows never before seen details in this galaxy group. Sparkling clusters of millions of young stars and starburst regions of fresh star birth grace the image. Sweeping tails of gas, dust, and stars are being pulled from several of the galaxies due to gravitational interactions. Most dramatically, Webb captures huge shock waves as one of the galaxies, NGC 7318b, smashes through the cluster. Let us see how the same image was captured by the Hubble telescope. As you can see, the image captured by James Webb Space Telescope is more minutely detailed than the one captured by Hubble telescope. Next, we have the Southern Ring Nebula. Some stars save the best for last. The dimmer star at the center of this scene has been sending out rings of gas and dust for thousands of years in all directions, and NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has revealed for the first time that this star is cloaked in dust. Two cameras aboard James Webb captured the latest image of this planetary nebula, catalogued as NGC 3132 and known informally as the Southern Ring Nebula. It is approximately 2,500 light years away. Webb will allow astronomers to dig into many more specifics about planetary nebulae like this one, clouds of gas and dust expelled by dying stars. Understanding which molecules are present and where they lie throughout the shells of gas and dust will help researchers refine their knowledge of these subjects. We can compare this image too with the one captured by Hubble Space Telescope. One will immediately notice that the picture captured by James Webb Space Telescope is much more clear and detailed than the one captured by Hubble Space Telescope. Lastly, we go on to WASP-96b. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has captured the distinct signature of water along with evidence for clouds and haze in the atmosphere surrounding a hot, puffy gas giant planet orbiting a distant sun-like star. In the observation, which reveals the presence of specific gas molecules based on tiny decreases in the brightness of precise colors of light, is the most detailed of its kind to date, demonstrating Webb's unprecedented ability to analyze atmospheres hundreds of light years away. While the Hubble Space Telescope has analyzed numerous exoplanet atmospheres over the past 2 decades, capturing the first clear detection of water in 2013, Webb's immediate and more detailed observation marks a giant leap forward in the quest to characterize potentially habitable planets beyond Earth. I will provide the link of this webpage in the description section. I will request you to open the webpage and download each of the high-resolution images in your laptop or mobile. After that, you can expand these images and see the celestial objects in more detail. Friends, please do let me know in the comments section which of these images you found the most interesting. I will come up with the new images as and when NASA releases them. Thank you.